The Bomb Squad. Welcome to the BurnDown YouTube channel. Today's a special day because I want to announce a new product. You guys asked for it. I put my head down, nose to the grindstone, and I feel like I delivered one hell of a fan holder this go around. So we have the 19-inch Z01 fan holder. This is a prototype unit. I will share some fancy shots and pictures of it with you guys. But essentially, this holds a 19-inch factory OEM Z01 Camaro Spall fan. That is right. It is Italian, it is sexy, and the thing moves a ton of friggin' air. So you can head on over to warperformance.com. If you want to pre-order one now, we have them up for pre-order. Again, this is a prototype unit. I will share with you guys that the production model will not have the BurnDown logo in the outside. We did that just to test it. But this is the only one I do have. Some other key features, though, that it will have is it will have the redesigned tabs that are reinforced and strong because of the weight of this fan. This thing is pretty darn heavy. But to offset some of that weight, we did the awesome honeycomb design. And then we do have the BurnDown logo in each side of the arms. So if you have any further questions, what it comes with, what the pricing is, again, head on over to warperformance.com. Order yours today. We have a pre-order going, and then as soon as the pre-order is up, we will get these ordered. I will keep you guys apprised. When I get them in, I will make them, and again, I will keep you posted on that. So follow along on Instagram. Find my Instagram, Stan Paul Thompson, over on Instagram. We'll get these welded up, get them back over here to Warr so they can ship them out to you guys. Thanks for shopping. Thanks for following along. Thanks for supporting the BurnDown YouTube channel and Warr Performance.
Rolling through the streets, yeah, I'm the king of the block. Got that dragon dry style, make your whole city rock. Malibu gangster, with a touch of finesse. I'm burning rubber, raising hell, feel the heat, no stress. Turbo LS, under the hood, I'm moving quick. Nicky tires grip the road, make them stick like a trick. She, sloppy too, we got a hit in 08. In the Warr Performance parts all over the place. The Bomb Squad's